Hello there, this is Rahul from All About Affiliate Marketing, and today's video will talk about the affiliate program of Browse AI. So let me take you to the website, which is browse.ai. For the ones who don't know about them, Browse AI is a no-code web automation tool that lets you easily scrape data and monitor websites without technical skills. With pre-built robots and customizable workflows, you can extract information, track updates, and integrate it into tools like Google Sheets or CRMs. Perfect for businesses, marketers, and researchers, Browse AI saves time and boosts productivity with powerful web automation. So what you're waiting for, if you were looking for a tool like this, you can come to the website, explore all about them, and buy a subscription for yourself if you like to see which features they offer, overall features, and you get to see the available features. And to see the pricing, simply click on pricing. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can start with free if you like. It will allow you to include two websites, three users, unlimited robots, full platform access with 50 credit per month. You can also go with the personal plan that is $19 per month. You can go with professional one that's $69 per month, and there is a premium one as well. And to know which plan includes what, you can scroll down and you would be able to see all the benefits of the plan. So if you like any of these plans, if you want to start with Browse AI, what you're waiting for. But that's not exactly why we're here. Unless you want to join Browse AI, that's totally up to you, but we are here to earn money from Browse AI. Possible? Why not? Simply join the affiliate program, start promoting them to audience, to your traffic, and as usual, we will start earning commission from them. So affiliates from which country can join their affiliate program? I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country as an affiliate, you can apply to be a part of the affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote them in order to receive commission? No restriction there as well. So long as Browse AI is available to the consumer of any specific country, you can promote them to the audience of that country. And when you bring sales to them, you will end up getting commission. So let's talk more about their affiliate program. For that, you can scroll down to the footer section of the website and over here click on affiliate program, which will take you to the affiliate program page of Browse AI. And as you can see here, join Browse AI affiliate program on a 20% commission for every payment by your referrers. And guess what? That's for lifetime. That means you brought someone to Browse AI, and so long they will continue paying to Browse AI, you will receive 20% commission of that sale amount. Right, and if you scroll down, you can see more how to start. You sign up for the affiliate program, you generate a unique referral link, share Browse AI with your communities, and earn commission. Pretty simple. And if you scroll down, you can see why partner with Browse AI. You get lifetime commission, high commissions per user, great customer service, unlimited commissions, no minimum threshold, and full transparency. And if you scroll down, you can see how can you share Browse AI through social media, through videos, or use forums as well. Up to you. And if you scroll down, you'll see frequently asked questions. So what are the terms and conditions for the affiliate program? You can click here, you can click on this and read the terms and condition. What can you share about your relationship with Browse AI? You can recommend Browse AI, introduce yourself as an affiliate partner, but you are not allowed to claim that you represent Browse AI in any other form. Can you advertise Browse AI? They do not allow running any kind of paid advertisement campaign that can directly compete with Browse AI itself by their affiliate partners. So you have to be careful with that as well. Then there are other questions as well. You can click in to get the answer if that doesn't get covered in this video. So how do you apply for the affiliate program? For that, let me take you to the website called Partner Stack. Now, what is Partner Stack and what does that have to do with Browse AI? Partner Stack is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there, specializes in software as a service kind of brands. So what is an affiliate marketing network? Affiliate marketing network works as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the affiliate marketing network. In our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Browse AI, you must have an affiliate account with Partner Stack. Now, Partner Stack call affiliates as publishers, so don't get confused. And they offer free affiliate account, so don't worry about that either. How do you join them as an affiliate? Simply click on Get Started, which will take you to this page. Over here, click on I'm a partner. I want to join programs and earn commission. And then it will take you through the sign up process. Now I understand there are many nuances involved when you try to complete sign up with any affiliate marketing network out there. So don't you worry. I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Partner Stack affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free affiliate account of Partner Stack. Once you have an account with them, simply come to their website once again. This time, click on Login, enter your credential, complete the authentication, and then it will take you to something called Affiliate Dashboard or Publisher Dashboard. This is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, but the focus of the video is just Browse AI. So how do you find their affiliate program? For that, you can click on Discover Partnerships. It will take you to the partnership section. Over here within the search bar, you can start typing Browse AI, and then from the drop down, simply click on Browse AI. What it will do, it will take you to the Browse AI affiliate program page on Partner Stack dashboard. Once here, you can see the commission rate, so 20% commission on the sale amount for lifetime. And then if you scroll down, application review time is longer than 5 days. So that means it could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. They do not free trial for customer, but there was a free subscription that you or your customer can try. The only problem is you won't get commission out of it. Discounts available? No. Assets available means different kind of links available and other tools and resources. Yes. Then you can click on terms of services to read the terms and condition. I highly recommend that you click and read so that you don't start doing that you shouldn't be doing. Then we got program application. So you can read all these questions and start entering the details. So first question we got is, what is your website? Include a single link to your most relevant website, channel, newsletter, etc. Let's say you don't have a website, neither you have a blog, but you rather have a Facebook page or a YouTube channel. In that case, just mention the URL of the Facebook page or social media channel you might have, and that should be suffice. Then you got, are you an existing Browse AI affiliate? So I'm going to select no. You can choose it accordingly. Which of the following promotion method are you planning? So let's say I intend to promote them on website, then we got YouTube and then the others as well. So based on wherever you intend to promote them, ensure you tick mark it accordingly. Then what is your audience size? So I'm going to select here. I'm going to go with between 1,000, 10,000. You can select yours as well. Then who's the primary target audience for your online content? I'm going to go with company, startups, small business owners, and other. You can select for you accordingly. Briefly explain how you plan to promote Browse AI. Now, you might want to write good thing about you, basically your business plan. This will help Browse AI to understand your business model and can help them to approve you as well. What is the email address associated with your Browse AI account? In case if you have a Browse AI account, you can mention the email address in here. Do you use Browse AI on a regular basis? So I'm going to select no, I don't use it much, or you can click on I come and go based on need. Depending on whatever your usage is, you can select it accordingly. Then you got, how did you hear about Browse AI affiliate program? I can select here and I'm gonna go with social media. In your case as well, you can maybe select social media or other or any way that you have heard about them. Are you part of any other SaaS affiliate program? So here's SaaS means software as a service. So let's say if you're part of the affiliate program of any software as a service brands, and you can write the name here as well. In my case, I'm gonna go with these brands. You can also enter your SaaS brands that you're already affiliated with. Country of your residence. I'm going to select my country of residence. In your case, you can also select your country of residence. Region of residence. I'm going to go with mine too. You can also go with yours. Now, ensure anything you write here, it should be accurate because any inaccuracy in your information could lead to the rejection from Browse AI. Then anything else you like them to know about here, yes, you can write it here. Otherwise, simply click on Submit Application. When you do that, your application to the Browse AI affiliate program team would go. They will see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And based on that, they could approve you. How would you know that you have been approved? You would receive an email. Once you've received an email, you can come to the Partner Stack dashboard once again, and this time click on your programs. And from here, you can click on Browse AI to see more details about them so that you can start promoting them. But since we are still waiting for Browse AI to review and approve, so I won't be able to access any of those sections. In your case, assuming you have been approved by Browse AI, you can click on it to get to the affiliate program page on Partner Stack. Just for the demo purpose, I'm going to click on Learn World. So this way, when you would click on Browse AI, you can relate and you would be able to explore different sections available on the affiliate program page. So let me click on Learn Worlds. It will take me to the affiliate program page of Learn World. Assuming you have clicked on Browse AI, it will take you to the Browse AI affiliate program page. Once here, you can click on Summary, and over here, you would be able to see something about them, and there will be some performance and commission. You can also use your tracking link directly from here. And to promote Browse AI, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link. So how do you get or create your tracking link? For that, you can click on links. You can also use the link from summary section. That will be fine, but click on links to see more details. Over here, you would be able to see the full link, which you can copy for Browse AI and you can share with your audience, with your traffic. You can also create your own tracking link by clicking on create a custom link. Over here, you can give a title, let's say test, and in description, you can mention a description too. I'm going to write this as a test link. In your case, you can write proper description, and then you can choose a destination link for Browse AI. Assuming you would be creating a link for Browse AI, you would see multiple options from Browse AI. Once you've entered and selected all these information, you can click on create link and it will create a tracking link for you. You might also be able to see different kind of links available here. Could be a banner link. If that's the case, you can also use those kind of links. And all the customers that you will bring to Browse AI, you can click on customers to see and keep track of all your customers that you have brought in. You can also click on training or resources that you might see for Browse AI and leverage any of the resources or assets from there. Then if you want to reach out to them, you can click on messages and initiate a communication directly with the affiliate program team of Browse AI. You can also click on program settings and make updates related to your affiliate program of Browse AI. Depending on the Browse AI, you might see some more feature here or some less. So it's varies depending on the affiliate program page you're on. But this is just to give you an idea how would it looks like if you have been approved by Browse AI. All right, so after exploring all this, you get to see different assets, different tools available to you. You also learn how to create and get your tracking link. But the next question arises, where can you promote them? The many ways, still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Now, doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you've been approved by Browse AI, you can promote them anywhere on your website, maybe a homepage, maybe category page, a place which is more suited for you, for Browse AI, and for your audience. You can pick and promote them accordingly. Second is blog. A blog could be amazing here because you could write blog posts about Browse AI and put your tracking link somewhere in the blog post. So this way, when people would read, if they like it, they'll click on the link. And if they subscribe to Browse AI, meaning if they pay something to Browse AI for the subscription, you will end up getting commission. Third way is social media. Social media could be great here because you could create different kind of content. For example, video, reels, stories, post, and put your tracking link in the description or the comment. This way, when people would consume those content, if they'll click on those link, they buy the subscription, you get the commission. Fourth way is business services website. Now, I feel like these kind of websites are great for brands like Browse AI. Assuming as an affiliate you have such a website, maybe you might want to have a different section for tools like Browse AI. So this way, when people would come to your website, they'll click on that section, they will be on that section, and they might be able to see Browse AI as a feature tool there. So this way, you can promote Browse AI on your business services website, assuming as an affiliate you have such a website. So these are some of the ways that you could promote Browse AI. Let's say you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the affiliate program page of Browse AI once again, and you can click on performance. Over here, you would be able to see your performance, such as clicks, signups, paid signups, conversion rate, revenue, pending commission, paid commission, earning per click, assuming you will be on the affiliate program page of Browse AI, of course. And to have more details, you can click on reporting. It will take you to the section. Over here within partnership performance, you would be able to see your performance by partnership. You can also use different filters to see results accordingly. You can also click on link performance to see the performance by links. You can click on commission to see the trend of your commission. And to have more details about commissions, you can click on commission tab from the menu bar, which will take you to the section. Over here, you can start with setting up your payment method. And to do that, simply click on set up withdrawals. Over here, you will have three options to choose from. You can go with direct deposit, PayPal, or Stripe. Depending on the payment method or the payout method, your delivery and processing fee would vary. Let's say you want to go with direct deposit, click on direct deposit and update your banking details accordingly. So depending on what you select here, the details you have to enter would differ. And once you have submitted your payment method, you have selected and submitted, you can initiate a request to withdraw the commission that you will see here. And to see all the commission that is available for you to withdraw, you can come here, within commission status, you can select this option which is available to withdraw. So this will allow you to see all the commission that is available for you to withdraw, and you can initiate a request from here to withdraw. For now, you don't see that option because you have to update your payment method first. And if you want to see other kind of commission, you can always select different status to see different kind of commission. And to have better understanding of these commission statuses, you can click on learn more about commission statuses. And to see all your historical withdrawals, you can click on withdrawals from here, and this will provide the list of all your withdrawals with send date, status, and amount. So this is how you can update your payment method and start getting commission from partner stack for all the sales that you have brought to Browse AI. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program with Browse AI. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start bringing sales to them, and you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Browse AI. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, to let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thank you for watching.